Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, stop everything you are doing because I just found the blueprint for our new dream house. This kitchen, this modern Tudor organic blend, it is insane. It's like cozy farmhouse meets high-end luxury, and honestly, it's a game changer. Wow. The first thing that hits you is the sheer scale. The ceiling is vaulted, hitting maybe 15 feet at the peak, and they left those huge, dark timber beams exposed, totally giving grand manor vibes, but in a totally approachable way, you know? Then you look at that brick wall. It's this distressed, classic red brick, and it just adds so much warmth and texture. It pairs perfectly with the creamy off-white shaker cabinets. It's that classic red brick and cream color scheme done right. And we have to talk about the island. It is massive. I mean, easily 9 feet long. It's half chunky reclaimed oak and half dramatic black veined marble. It's a power move. So often, kitchens feel cramped or cluttered, right? Like you have to sacrifice space for style. But this design fixes all that drama. With a room this large, easily 18 by 20 feet, and that high ceiling, you have all the workspace you need. And the atmosphere is just breathtaking. You can host everyone you know here. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.